What is up, YouTube? Welcome back for another episode of Mortal Realms Monday Magazine Review. This week we're looking at issue 15 of the Mortal Realms Magazine. And in this issue we have got the second part of our Sigmarite Mausoleum. So we've got the walls and gates, as well as the bases for the mausoleum pieces that we got in issue 11, I think it was. So yeah, cool looking pieces. I think I'm looking most forward to painting the front gate here, as well as the statue there. I'll post up in the top corner here a video of the painting video, this week's painting video for the statue. And then if you guys want to see me do the wall as well, let me know down in the comments below of this video or the statue one, and I'll see about painting up the wall for you guys as well, so you can have a look at the front gate. Obviously the rest of the walls and gates and stuff, fences, will be done in the same style. But yeah, lots of roses and lots of skulls. So yeah, it's looking good. Let's have a look at the magazine, shall we? So obviously with these magazines, every time I go through these, this is a first look for me. And oh, I'm liking the look of some of these guys as well. So what have we got? Children of the Storm. There have been many occasions when the various storm hosts have fought alongside one another, particularly during the Realmgate Wars. It was common to see Stormcast Eternals armoured in the various colours of different storm hosts fighting shoulder to shoulder. While some rivalries and grudges have been established between some of the storm hosts or chambers, all serve Sigmar, and differences are cast aside at times of war. I do like the darker black looking armour with the gold trim. I do think that looks nice. And the what's that? The Anvils of Eldenhammer. I did say when I was painting up one of the other guys, I started with a black base coat, and I did think it looked nice. So yeah, a little bit of information on them hosts. Some nice artwork here. A little bit on the Realmgate Wars. So Sigmar's plan to scour the forces of chaos from the mortal realms relied upon controlling realm gates, the portals between realms. His first act of war was to send his Stormcast Eternals to seize them. So we've got some information here on the Battle of the Brimstone Peninsula, the All Points, and some information on the realm gates themselves. And then here we've got Death Flesh Eater Quartz, which if you are a premium subscriber, you would have got your premium subscription kit, which contained some Flesh Eater Quartz goodies. I have got mine. If you guys would like to see some videos on that, in fact I will be doing some painting videos on that. No unboxing videos, I've already dug into that and started assembling my models, but excuse me, I will post a video of painting some of the more character based models within the premium kit. But yeah, so there's a bit of information there on the Flesh Eater Quartz to go alongside the magazine that premium subscribers would have got in their premium kit. And then we have the Court of the Cannibal King. The Anvils of Eldenhammer strike at the heart of a Flesh Eater Court, hoping to destroy the creatures once and for all. And obviously you've got some bits on the anvils, retributors. Then we've got the how to paint the Sigmarite Mausoleum. Obviously a number of ways to do this, and I'll be painting very similar to how they show in this, but with my own little extra bits on there. we've got our battle, which is the charge of the Harrow. The Nighthaunt continue to arrive on the battlefield in droves. More chain rasps emerge from the hills and barrows, led by ghastly Dreadblade Harrows mounted upon ghostly steeds. Thankfully, the Celestar Ballista has been wheeled into place and is ready to fire. So we get some any additional rules? Not too sure by the looks of that. We've got the setup for battle, but we do get to use our nice new terrain pieces and build that up a little bit more. So we've got the chain rasps, a Dreadblade Harrow. Is that 5 retro? No, it's not the Retributors. It's the Castigators. So 5 Castigators and the Celestar Ballista. So we've got a reference sheet here on how to check range. Obviously, go through the turns, the hero phase, the movement phase, the shooting, charge, and combat phases. So yeah, it looks like this one focuses a little bit more on shooting, ranged attacks. And there we go, there's the end of the battle. So coming up in future issues, next week's issue will be featuring more Stormcast reinforcements. So I think for next week's issue, instead of painting up the another Storm host, I think what I'll do is release the video for painting up one of the what do you call them? God, my mind's gone blank. That's the one, the Flesh Eater Quartz. So painting up one of the models from the premium kit, and then we have after that issue 17 with the Dreadscythe Harridans. So yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video, guys. Some pretty cool terrain pieces there. I know we do have a lot more terrain stuff coming in future issues, so I am looking forward to getting some of that. I do like the terrain for this stuff. But yeah, thanks a lot for joining me, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell for notifications on further videos. And if you have any feedback for me, leave that down in the comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.